Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive. So backing up WhatsApp to Google Drive requires an active Google account and Google Play services on your Android device. So go to WhatsApp, hit your profile icon on the bottom right, go to chat, and then chat backup. Choose a backup frequency, right? And select your preferred Google account. This is important. You need to use your Android phone for this to happen. Okay. Now, after you choose a backup frequency and select your preferred Google account, tap backup to start the process. Right. Turn on include videos if you wish to save your shared media files, and basically that's it. Now, how to locate your backup in Google Drive. Once the backup finishes, the data is securely stored on your Google account. You can verify by opening the Google Drive app, tapping the menu icon or three lines, and selecting backups to view the specific file associated with your phone number. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.